Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add music to Instagram posts on the Instagram application. So make sure you watch the video at its fullest and follow these simple steps. So first, you will need just to go in and look or start your Instagram app, and make sure you are logged in to your account. After that, we will need, of course, to start a post so we can add music to our post in Instagram. We click on the plus sign, and here we will need just to choose from our story, reel, live, or post, or whatever. After that, you will need just to click to any picture or any post that you want, of course. And basically, we will need just to click on next here, and you can add some filters. And here you can see the music part or the music icon where you can add any music. And here you can edit any parts of music that you like. And basically, those red points are the most used or are the sections that are most used on Instagram. So if you want to follow any trend or anything like that, you can just put the music just here wherever there is some colored dots here. So basically, after choosing any track that you want or any timing that you want, of course, you can choose edit the timing of your music. You will need just to click on confirm. We confirm both, and of course, you can give it some filters. You click on next, and basically after that, you add the location. You can tag people, and of course, you can add some caption, and you can share posts on your account. So basically, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.